we doing today? Thank you so much for watching this video and welcome to MG Vlogs. This is your friend Melvin here. Okay, and let's see what do we have here today for all of you guys. Also to let you guys know that I had actually ordered this online, and this is from the website motoin.de. so this is coming right away from Germany, and before I could actually get it from there, these guys had to order this from Italy there. So it took me quite some time. Okay, so I placed the order on the 29th of Jan or the 30th if I'm not mistaken, right? And now it seems that what's the date today? Okay, it's the 19th. So I was promised a date of about 30 days, but yeah, it's way within that time. So let's see what's here in the box. Also, let me show you the customs duty. Yes, I did have to pay customs for this. So let's look at the invoice here. Okay. So you guys can just pause this video and take a look at the breakup. Alright, let's proceed. What else do we have here first? Okay, so that's the fog resistant lens. So that's my pin lock. Perfect. Okay, there you go. Some AGV stickers, love that. Morning, and let's see. Here we go. That's how it is. Let's look at the features here. So, yep. So you guys see, that's one of the vents. That's the other vent. Okay. That's the other air vent that we have. Okay, and let's do unlock. Okay. Just to give you a gist, so here we go. Scratch resistant, sorry. UV protection, K3SV, size S. Okay. So sharp rated. 4 rating. It is just beautiful. Those are the rear vents to let out the hot air. 46 BR forever. Okay, and what else do we have here? So this is the SV version, which is sun visor. Let me give you some close-ups, and that's the top view. The rear, the right side, the front, and the left side. Okay, so some cinematic shots to follow. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video today, and ride hard, ride safe. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, MG Vlogs, for all bike related, tech related, adventurous videos. Okay. Take care. Don't forget to smile everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.